Baby.
Let me see.
You just see it. Pop them out.
It's going to come out?
Yes.
It's going to pop out?
Yes.
Is it a boy or a girl?
No.
Oh, what's the name?
Baby Zoe.
Baby Zoe?
Yeah.
Oh.
Pop them out.
She's going to pop out?
Yeah. You don't see it yet. Pop them out. Mommy, my baby pop them out, my dummy.
Well, you better give her a kiss when she pops out.
Nanny, nanny, hold on tight, baby. Ta-da! Mommy, my baby pop them out.
Your baby won't come out?
Yes.
Here.
You just hold that.
Okay.
Put them out.
What, sweetie?
Oh, Mommy, don't yet. My baby pop them out.
Oh, no?
My baby.
What's the baby's name?
Baby poop.
Baby Poop?
Yeah.
That's not a very nice name.